What's up, YouTube? We're gonna do a quick video on 5 things you should know about the Kirby. Hey, look, one thing is that it's the best for carpet. Actually, getting the dirt out the carpet, the Kirby suction is one of the best. When you see that green light on, means the belt is on. When it's off, that means when it's on, that means it's sucking the carpet up. Like it's going deep, deep. When it's not on, when that green light is not on, it's really made for tile. That's actually good though. So it's versatile. Most people don't know that. Then you would change it over to the carpet cleaner. Easy, quick swap out, taking the bag off. Boom. This would be what you put your water in. Soap. One thing most people didn't know is you could do your upholstery with this, but we try to tell people with the Kirby, you can actually paint your house. You can go outside and paint what you're trying to paint with this. It's water-based, so understand that. So you know you're putting the right type of paint in there. Because that could be an easy confusion. I've had so many Kirbys, I got extra parts, obviously. It gives you this. It comes with this case right here. I'm cleaning up right now, so don't mind a little extra dirt. One thing you don't want to do is, when carpet cleaning, any real carpet cleaner will tell you, do not take, from the last person's house, do not bring any dirt to the next person's house. That is just weird. Clean your stuff up. Make sure you're moving 5-star. But this right here, this will be for your car. Like, one thing about the Kirby, if you wanted to detail cars with it, this is going to be one of the best machines. It's so versatile. As long as you got a plug in, it's going to be way easy for you. And you can plug it into your car probably, as long as you buy one of those ports. So that means you can be a mobile detailing service. Nobody's going to complain. Long as that car is clean, 5-star worthy, they're not going to say anything. You got your extra upholstery tools in there. Move these. For your cracks and crevices, these type of tools in here. I'm not going to pull it out, but you understand. Let's see. Pull that out the way. And most people wonder, when you're carpet cleaning with the Kirby, how do you do stairs? This right here comes off. You can take this off right here, literally. You see those clips? I can boom, boom, throw that right on, and I can vacuum your stairs with it easily. Versus this. This one has you would need the piece for like a steam cleaner. Anybody that runs a van would know what I'm talking about right there, easily. So think about the versatileness of this. I'm gonna show you the front. Right here. Which one are you think going to be easier to move around, especially if you had to go to, let's say you had to do 5 flights up in a hospital or something. I'm telling you, it's going to be places. They give you these extra parts too. A lot of extra brushes, honestly. This will blow up a ball. Or if you needed to blow up a mattress, the Kirby will do it. So it's just some extra parts. I barely even got to show. This is for your tile floors. Easily. About to clean this up. This is your brush. If you want to do your curtains, if you wanted to clean somebody's house with the curtains, you need that extra abrasion, especially for your carpets. You're always gonna need that. But that's just 5 quick things. Like, comment, subscribe.